Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be making peach gum papaya soup. Although it's called soup, it's actually a sweet dessert drink that is great for your body. First we need to soak the snow fungus, lotus seeds and peach gum overnight, and then we're going to cut off the root of the snow fungus. This part is really hard and tough, so we're not going to be eating it. Once you've trimmed off the root, we're going to cut the snow fungus into small pieces. Then we're just going to set the pieces aside. We're then going to clean the peach gum, just gently remove the black pieces that are stuck onto the peach gum. Then bring a pot of water to the boil and add in the snow fungus and the lotus seeds. We're going to cover it with a lid and then cook it over low heat for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add in the rock sugar and the peach gum, and if you're finding that you don't have a lot of water left, just add in a couple more cups and cook it for another half an hour. The amount of rock sugar you add depends on how sweet you want it. I've only added in one small little piece. While that's cooking, we're going to cut the papaya in half and then scrape out the seeds. Make sure that you're not using an overly ripe papaya so that it doesn't turn mushy after cooking. We're then going to place some of the snow fungus, lotus seeds and peach gum into the papaya. Make sure that you get a little bit of everything in there and then pour in the poaching liquid. We're just going to fill it to the brim of the papaya. We're going to sprinkle on some goji berries, place the papaya into a steamer and then place that over boiling water to steam for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, take it out from the steamer and we're ready to eat. This dessert is super refreshing, and although it takes a bit of time to poach the ingredients, it's actually really easy to make. So make sure you give it a try because the ingredients in it are full of amino acids and polysaccharides, which are great for your body. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.